Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Hey, welcome back. Got my, I don't know, called a secretary cabinet or something. But second time we've managed to lose the key for this lock. So I do have some adult type items in there that the kids and grandkids shouldn't be in. So I've got another lock for it. Pretty cool setup. Found I'm going to put it on here, but go like so, and that'll keep these together. Maybe zeros, I don't know. Yeah, zeros. Okay, so there's a spot here where you can change the combo, just that simple. This goes on here, this goes on here, and piece of cake. I'll show you when it's done. Thanks. Okay, everybody. All it took was this Makita drill to put this hasp on, and I'm going to kind of zip through it here so it doesn't take all day for you. Put one screw in, kind of eyeball it, get it level, and get the other screw in it. That's the way I do it. I've got a pretty good eye with the line of things there, but you can by all means use the level on it if you like. And there's the other screw. And we've set the combo already. So just put that behind there, get it lined up, open it back up, and that's where the screws go. 4 of them over there. And double check everything. Looking good. And we'll put the rest of the screws in. So that's about it. It's a great little system. You're going to love it. Thanks. Bye now.